Okay, so how do you test the voltage of the electrical outlet at home with a multimeter? So first thing first, we need to set the voltmeter to AC volts. You can see it right here. And you don't want to touch it with both of your hands. I usually prefer just to plug in one, and then while it's connected, I'll just plug in the another one, and you can see it's showing 119. You'll see around like from 110 to 122, 125 sometimes. So that's a typical range. So this outlet is working correctly. So if you have a situation where you are getting any less voltage than that when you connect the leads, you can also test both up and bottom. Okay, and if you have any less voltage, let's say you have 80 volts or 60 sometimes, or maybe 90 volts, but anything below 110, you have to open up the cover, this cover box, just to visually take a look. Okay, so you're not going to do anything crazy. You just open it up and take a look visually. So there are instances I have seen troubleshooting outlets where it has low voltage, but it does have a power, I can tell. But until I get to the wires, I'm not able to tell what's going on. Is it burnt out or melted? Because there are times people wire it in a way where it has a cover, right? So if it has a cover, sometimes this can be a sign. If it's like if one terminal is a little bit dark, as soon as you open the box, you'll see why it has low voltage or less than typical, because it's melted or it has a loose connection. It's not necessarily melted like this, but it just has a loose connection. It can get loose if it's backstabbed like this, or get melted if you overload it with a heater or something like that. But yeah, this is very simple way of testing the outlet voltage if you are trying to troubleshoot the what's going on with the outlet. So be safe, turn off the power before you even get into this. Before removing the outlet, you have to turn off the breaker all the time. Also, you need to use one of these testers to define if outlet is hot or not, even after turning off the power. So I would definitely have one of these if you're trying to troubleshoot the outlet. Thanks for watching.